My recipe, Liliana Castellanos Caldas Forunat, chef, and I am a food quality technology student. Today I'm doing a recipe that is called rice with milk. The ingredients are rice, milk, resin, cinnamon, and water. The first step is to cook 1 cup of rice in 2 cups of water with cinnamon. Once the rice is cooked, you need to add milk and wait for it to boil. As soon as it's boiled, you need to lower the temperature and add the resin. Let it cook for 3 more minutes, then turn it off. What a little bit, the it's ready to enjoy. Thank you.